G'day everyone, Ellie Hurley here from Nudge Marketing and Chatbot Chatter, Messenger for Business, our Facebook group. And I'm really excited to be shooting this video here with you today. I'm going to show you how to create a flow using ManyChat. This is part of a free download we have for you, Explode Your Business Growth with Messenger Marketing. You'll find a link in the comments below. So to begin with, you need to be in your ManyChat account. And on the left-hand side here, you just go down and you click on the word flows. And then in the top right-hand corner, it says new flow. You click on that. We name the flow. I'm going to call this demo flow. And that takes us into the actual flow setup itself. Now, one of the great things about ManyChat is there's two different ways that you can do it. What you're looking at here is the basic flow builder. And what would happen is it would just list all of the steps of the builder here on the left-hand side. However, what they introduced last year was something called Flow Builder, which is fantastic, and it's changed the way this is going together completely. So I always recommend that you click on Go to Flow Builder at the beginning of building your chatbot. And what it does is it actually brings up the chatbot in a flow sequence, and I'll show you exactly what that means now. The starting step is indicated with this green triangle starting step here. And if I click anywhere in this box, it will bring it up on the left-hand side, and this is where I can start editing and adding my text or images or anything else that I want to put in there. A couple of things that you need to be aware of, and the first thing that I always recommend is that you name each of the steps that you have in a flow. One, so you can follow what's going on, but also two, so other people that come in and have a look at the flow, if you're building it for another business or another staff member needs to check it, they can come in and check it as well. So this one here will be the welcome to the demo. It's really as straightforward as just starting to type in the green box here. Now underneath where you can type things, you'll see that you have a little drop down for emojis. So because we've said the word hi, we could put a wave in there. Just do a space. Next to that, you will see a little person shape thing. This is where you have any custom fields or any fields that you could actually put in here. And one of the great things about Messenger is that they are personalized. So I do suggest that you utilize this when you can. So we're going to use the first name of the person. This will display the first name a person has in their Facebook account. Thanks for checking out this ManyChat demo of Flow Builder. And we might just add a smiley face. Now, what we've got here is a whole lot of different options of different things that we can include in our step here. So what we might do, some of you'd be familiar with this, there is a delay here which always looks really good. With these delays, basically what that does is it will demonstrate, if you see clicking on here, it says show typing during the delay, and that's where the three little dots will jiggle up and down. This arrow here is showing you that it cannot be the last element. That's not going to be a problem here because we're going to add another text box underneath it. This flow is being created to quickly show you how to use the Flow Builder. We can add an image in here, which we will do. Now you can, with images, you can put GIFs in there. And we'll just have a little text box here. Awesome. Show me more. And we're going to do a quick reply button here. Now the reason for doing quick reply buttons is this will actually look like a person has typed these words here, and it also gives you the opportunity to bring up another step. So with the show me more, or I've seen enough So what we need to do then is from the show me more is we will then take this and we will go to another step and send another message. So you can just drag from the circle here, click on send message, and this will be show me more. Cool. It's pretty exciting, don't you think? Sure is. The reason for asking people to interact with you here, these are known as micro commitments, and if you can get people to start communicating with you, so it is like a conversation going both ways, they're more likely to do something with you further down the track when you ask them to do something of greater value or of more commitment. It could be a bit more time, or it could be that you actually ask them to purchase something from you. So with the sure is, we'll go up and we will just create another message here. And this message here is, that's all, folks. There's a couple of different things that we could do here. We could put a gallery in. We could say, that's it for today. Before I go, can you tell me a little more about what you need? And then what we could do here is you could add a gallery in, which means it will bring up a set of cards. Now I actually have a gallery here to show you what this would look like. And basically what it is it's a set of images that will all appear. So on a phone or even on the desktop, people can then scroll through and you can have a different image here. You can have a title and you can have a very brief description of it here with buttons underneath as well. So the example that I'm showing you here is for a restaurant chatbot that we have created. And this is just running through some of the items that you can get on the entree menu. So you can make it really visual for people to engage with them and encourage engagement on their behalf. Another thing that you could also put in here if you wanted to is something called a list. And again, this is what a list would look like. So you can add different images here, and then you can have a heading, a little bit of a subheading, and then you can have a button that gets clicked to take them through to another step. Now, I'm not going to add those in here today because they do take a little bit longer, but what we will do is we'll just add another bit of text here. Please choose from the buttons below. I want leads. I want more sales. How I use Messenger. Okay, as you can see, this one here is turned red because it's got too many letters in it. So we'll just have to click on that and we'll just take out, we'll just abbreviate this. And then these would continue on. So any flows like this you can set up and you can get them to go pretty much to anything that you want them to. So one thing we could do here, for example, is we could then go to a different flow. So we don't have to create the wheel again. What we can do is then go into our flows that we've got, that we already have, and we can select one of the flows that we want them to go to. So for this one here, for example, if they want more leads, we can take them to their blueprint delivery, which would give them the opportunity to see different blueprints in ways that they could generate more leads. How do I use Messenger? We could go to a flow that was to deliver a lead magnet in relation to how to use Messenger marketing. And it's just really a case of going in, having these set up, and then working your way through that. Actually, I'll just put this one up to here. So now that we've got our flow here, what we need to do is click on the publish button to make sure we haven't missed anything. And I can actually see here already that I haven't got anything going from I've seen enough. So we'll just go in and we'll set this quick message up. Okay, first name. If you've had enough, all you need to do is hit the unsubscribe button or type stop. And then just add an unsubscribe. So you've got unsubscribe there, and then what you can do is there's already a flow within ManyChat, so you could just go to that flow, unsubscribe, and select that flow. So that will take them through to that. So it looks like we've got everything in place there now. So if we hit publish, and the content has been published. So there you have it, guys, how to create a flow using ManyChat. This is Ellie from Nudge Marketing. Look forward to seeing you in our Facebook group, Chatbot Chatter. And just as a quick reminder, if you'd like the free download, How to Explode Your Business with Messenger Marketing, you'll find a link below. Catch you soon. Bye-bye.